Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you've found that your Wealthfront account is locked, it can be worrying, but there are several common reasons this happens in 2026. One of the main causes is security protection. Wealthfront may lock accounts temporarily if it detects suspicious activity, such as multiple failed login attempts, unusual device access, or a potential breach attempt. Another reason is account verification issues. For example, if you recently updated your bank account, changed your password, or triggered multi-factor authentication, Wealthfront may lock the account until the verification steps are completed. Sometimes the lock is related to regulatory or compliance requirements, where certain documents or identity confirmations need to be provided before full access is restored. Technical issues can also contribute. Using an outdated app version, experiencing server glitches, or having cache or device-related problems can make it seem like your account is locked, even if it's just a temporary login issue. In all cases, the best solution is to carefully follow the instructions on the app, check your email for messages from Wealthfront, and contact customer support if needed. Typically, accounts are unlocked once the verification or security review is complete, and this process ensures your money remains protected. While it can be inconvenient, Wealthfront locking accounts is usually a safety measure rather than a permanent problem. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.